Do you guys want to know what it would be like to take the Tesla across the 48 continental states on a road trip, loaded up with 1,000 pounds in the back with the dirt bikes in the trailer, and just know how long it takes, how many times we have to stop and supercharge? If we get to 1,000 subscribers in the next 90 days, we will leave the day that happens. Like I said, 1,000 subscribers, you have 90 days, we will leave the day of. Enjoy the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Colorado Cars. Today we are here with our 2020 Tesla Model Y, and we are going to tell you everything that is severely wrong with this vehicle. Before getting started, Ryan and I just want to put it out there that we absolutely love Tesla. We love their cars, we love their mission, we love going towards sustainability, but we just absolutely hate this specific car. It has been nothing but problems. It has been in service for over 30 days and 5 times, which qualifies it to be a lemon. So we're going to go ahead and dive into all the different issues, the most severe starting up front and then working our way back. Stay tuned to see what's wrong with this 2020 Tesla Model Y. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start with the most notable and severe issue that our Model Y has. Back in September, we took delivery of this car. As you can see from these pictures that are up on your screen right now, the driver's side was rubbing paint, the passenger side had a huge gap. The sales advisor assured me that they would get it fixed. I believed them because it happened on my Model Y, and they actually did. We took the car home and we started noticing after a rainstorm, after a snowstorm, and after car washes, using touchless like Tesla recommends, that the front would flood. So 5 service attempts later, they have not been able to fix the issue. Yesterday is where I had my breaking point. We took it to the service center in Colorado Springs, where they proceeded to drill holes into the plastic up front to drain the water without my permission. So they modified my vehicle using a jerry-rig method without my permission. That absolutely made me livid. Also, they didn't fix the leak at all. So basically what they did was acknowledge that there is a big leak here where they had to drill holes to let the water drain, but they didn't actually fix the leak, and I'm supposed to be happy with that. Over the past few months, I've been emailing Tesla per my finance agreement, and I have not heard a word back. I've hired an attorney to get this car lemoned out in the state of Colorado, so we will keep you updated on all of that. But we just kind of wanted to let you guys know what is going to happen if you buy a Tesla and you have issues with it. They treat you like a number. They really do not care about your issues. They only care about getting more and more cars out on the road. I totally get it. They're a new brand, but they should be so much more respectful to loyal customers like us. We were an early adopter on the Model Y. We have been early adopters on the Model 3. We would have been early adopters if we could have afforded an S or an X, but we can't. We have been brand loyal to Tesla this whole time, and they have been doing nothing but treat us like garbage. Let's move on to some other issues that we're having. As you guys can see, we are in Colorado. We have over 2 feet expected in the next 24 hours. We are getting a ton of snow. It is coming down so fast. So you would think that one would really want their heater in a time like this. Yesterday, after we picked it up from the Tesla of Colorado Springs, our heat was gone. No heat. How did we figure that out? On our drive home from Colorado Springs, about an hour north, we started hitting some rain, some snow. It started to fog up. I turned on the heat. Nothing. Cold air. I pulled over, did a hard reset. We were stranded in the middle of Colorado Springs and Denver with no heat, no way to defrost, nothing. So we resorted to using our heated seats and a lot of windshield wiper fluid to get home, but they put us in a major safety issue. We have it from a close source at Tesla that they have been really struggling with their heating systems in the Model Y. This morning I gave them a call. They were closed, of course, so they sent me to Tesla of Littleton. The guy said, oh, just go ahead and reboot your car. I'm going to send you a software update. So he did that, blah, blah, blah. I called him back. He said, you know what, the snow's coming in pretty quick. We're gonna leave. So just don't drive this weekend. That's really great, saying that to an essential worker with no other method of transportation, who needs his car for work, who needs to be on call all weekend, that you just should not drive. It was incredibly frustrating. They didn't offer to give me a loaner. They didn't offer for me to take it in so they could look at it. Nothing. They said, live without the heat, live without your transportation. We're going home at 10:30 because of the snow. Great customer service? I really think not. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Colorado Cars. We are going to keep you updated as we go. We just sent out our attorney's letter, so they have been receiving it, certified mail. As soon as we get any sort of response from Tesla's customer service department, we will let you guys know. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.